What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to create an invoice in Shopify. So here in Shopify, you just simply need to go over to the Others button right here, click on it, you'll see a drop down, and then we're going to click on Create Order. So here you'll need to select the product which will be in the invoice. You could search for the product or browse among your products. So we're going to choose the Apple Watch Series 10 and the iPhone 18, the blue one, and then we're going to say Add. And as you can see, it's been added to this place. And this is where you have your invoice. And if you scroll down, you can see the total cost. So it does the math for you and the organization. Now, if you had more than one Apple Watch series, you can make it 2 here, and you can see it appeared twice. So you can see we're going to simply click on the X right here to reduce duplicity. And so we have 2 Apple Watch Series 10 and 1 iPhone 18. And this is the price. So you can come over here to the customer, click on customer, and you have 2 options. You can select from customers you have already or click on create a new customer. Once you do that, that customer will be receiving this invoice. You could also choose the markets, the currency, and any necessary tags. And of course, you can decide to click on payment due later. You can see payment terms on receipt or within a number of days. So if you want that, you could choose that option and of course click on send invoice in order to send this invoice to the customer you've selected. So you can see already that we've been able to create an invoice, and this is how you can do it on Shopify and send it to your customers.